Get your numbers up like Pokey shaking my head. Bro, I can't. Bro, are you fucking kidding me? Pokey is like a TikTok gold, dude. What do you look at this? She didn't even do anything. She just took the glasses off. I don't even know how she did it. How the fuck did she take the glasses off? Her one hand is on the camera. What the fuck? What is that? Is that magic? How did that happen? How did she do this? Call the transition old man. Be real with me. You're mewing, right? What the fuck is that? Post the Pokey one I sent? Oh shit, you're right. I don't know. Second shooter on the grassy knoll. Yo! That's true. Yeah, we got to go to the Zapruder film. How'd she do this? Pokey can electrocute me with wet sponges and a car battery. Hasso. Bro, someone in the chat said, take that man out back. And I'm inclined to agree, man. Are you all right? Are you good, dude? Like, sometimes it's just like, sometimes you got to check in on your homies. You know what I mean? Sometimes your homies might be at the Hasanabi broadcast posting the most down bad comment you've ever heard. Sean the Black says, she's my African princess. A lot of you would benefit from reading the Quran, okay? Drop the phone, put the good book in your one hand and start reading, okay? In the name of Allah, read. Notice how I ain't simping? Yeah, I do. I'm proud of you, Nice Bathroom, for holding yourself back. Oh shit, RNC said fuck no to covering Trump's legal fees. No shot. Breaking, Republican National Committee refused to pay for Trump's legal fees. I don't believe this, bro. I don't know if this is... Are you sure this is real? Trump's legal fees for the Mar-a-Lago search and federal investigation into the stolen government records. RNC rejection means Trump just hired a bunch of new expensive lawyers from whom he most certainly will refuse to pay. I mean, that second part is definitely true.